Welcome viewers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how a famous AI tool like ChatGPT can be integrated with Excel and some difficult tasks, how you can manage very easily. Definitely, I'm very much confident that if you follow those steps as per given situation, definitely you can reduce lot of times and enhance your productivity. And hence the title of this session has been kept as boost your productivity in Excel using ChatGPT. So first of all, give me a brief introduction. I believe most of you are well aware of the fact that ChatGPT is an open AI tool. And right now, many people are using ChatGPT to solve their day-to-day tasks where time taken is in the minimum possible way. Everybody wants to save the time. But apart from saving the time, we shall see how accurately some complex tasks can be easily done by Excel as well as ChatGPT. So I have already opened MS Office 365 version. So let me show you my screen. Here you can see already I have opened MS 365, Office 365. I'm sorry, not MS 365, Office 365. And ChatGPT is already integrated. In case if you have not integrated the ChatGPT within Office 365, here it can be done. I'm just showing because in my system it is already integrated, but in case if you want to integrate or you have to add this particular tool, you can say, you can click on file. Under file you can see there is an option called get add-ins. If you click here on top, it is showing already the add-ins that I have integrated. For example, I have integrated Bing Maps. For example, here is ChatGPT for Excel. So this particular tool you have to add. And if you do not find this particular name in this given list, definitely don't get disheartened. What you can do, you can click on more add-ins. So if you click on more add-ins, it will take you to Microsoft Store where you can search a particular item and get it added in your Office 365 version. So now we can see what amazing things it can do. First of all, the moment you are using this ChatGPT, it can facilitate you to use some AI functions. The first AI function I am using is equals to AI dot ask. Basically, ask is a function where some questions you can throw and you can see the question already I have framed. Name the CEO of Microsoft. So if I ask AI.ask and I am only mentioning this particular cell address, this is our question, and here I am expecting the answer. So if I press the enter key, you will find that within a moment, it is saying the CEO of Microsoft is Satya Nadella. So in this way, you can ask a genuine question and automatically ChatGPT will be able to help you out to find the answer. Of course, this thing alternatively can be done in Google, but sometimes it becomes very easy to remain inside Excel, not to switch over on some other application or some other website. From here, you can do all such kind of things. So point to be noted, AI.ask. This is the first in very, very useful function of AI. Every AI related functions will start with AI dot. Next is I am working in ITS. Here you can see that this particular, it's a complete statement. Now, suppose I want to change it. I want to see the convert it or translate it into some other language, maybe in Hindi. So I am here using equals to AI. Hardly matters if you type it in small or if you type it in capital. Here you can see that all the AI related functionalities can be visible. Here I'm choosing AI.translate. And because the complete statement is given here, so I'm mentioning the cell address A5. Now let us see whether it is able to produce the correct statement. And also I need in which language. So the name of the language should be specified within double quotes. So I'm writing Hindi and pressing the enter key. So in Hindi scripts, you can see मैं ITS में काम कर रहा हूँ, which is the exact translation of this sentence. I am working in ITS. Now let us try to change this statement. So I'm just adding since last, say 5 years. So मैं ITS में, मैं पिछले 5 वर्षों से ITS में काम कर रहा हूँ. So this is the power of AI related functions. So some of you may think that these types of things can be done using other translator tools, but it becomes very easy when you remain inside Excel and don't have to switch to some other websites. Now, this is the third thing that I am going to use is that extract function. Here you can see this thing is very, very useful for professionals who are daily working with large volume of data. So here you can see something is written. I am Aman Khanna. Let me correct the spelling. You can contact me at aman.khanna@itsgroup.in. And in the next statement, another line is there. I am Rahul and my mail ID is rahul.kar@itsgroup.in. I'm Rajinder and working in ITS. Email me at rajinder@itsgroup.in. Shubham working at ITS, official mail ID shubham.verma@itsgroup.in. So these are what you can find that some general statements are there, which we often use in some mails or as a within the body of the mail. Now, from this particular 4 different statements, only I have to extract the email parts. So for example, from the first line, the necessary mail ID is aman.khanna@itsgroup.in. Manually, it becomes very, very difficult. But using ChatGPT, let me show you how within 2 minutes we can finish this particular thing. There can be 50 such kind of lines, and if somebody asks me to extract only the email IDs from the given lines or given paragraph, very easily I can do. So for that, what I am doing, I am using AI dot. This time I am using extract. So in extract, you have to, we can select this much range. Now, basically, what exactly we require? We require email. It can be email or email ID. So this email I have written in some different cells. Not necessarily that this heading should come just on top. It can be placed here. It can be placed in this particular cell also. But what will happen if this particular cell I mention and press the enter key? You see that what is the amazing thing this ChatGPT is doing for me. Instantly, I am getting all the necessary mail IDs. So let us try to replicate this thing for another example. Here some organization names are there. Let me again rectify the spelling. Organization, because if the spellings are mistake, it may not work properly. So here another similar way, few lines are written. I am Aman Khanna and I am the CEO of Innovative Technology Solutions and IT firm. I am Satish from Zansa Services Limited. Hello, I am Imran this side, currently working in Nagarao India Limited. This side Rahul working at Colt. So we want only the name of the organization to be extracted. So here I am giving another function, same function, AI.extract, but this time I am choosing this much cell and comma, and further I am choosing this particular heading because I want organization name to be extracted. Further, I am closing this particular thing and pressing the enter key. Let me check what the result comes. So you can see perfectly, 100% perfectly, it is showing Innovative Technology Solution from this line, Zansa Services Limited from this particular line, Nagaro India Limited from third line, and Colt as a in the fourth row. So this is how amazingly this ChatGPT can be integrated, and we can do many difficult tasks quite easily and within a small time frame. I hope you have understood well the power of ChatGPT or AI tools along with Excel or Word. Similar videos will be uploaded very soon. So I request all the viewers to stay tuned. And if somebody has not subscribed, please do subscribe so that you can get timely notifications from our channel. Thank you. I hope you have liked the session.